If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus still has two views you can use. These views are called the Accountant View and the Business View. However, you can perform most of the same tasks within both views in new company files, making which view you use less of an issue than it was in previous releases of QuickBooks Online. Previously, the Accountant View provided a view focusing on the full range of business and accounting tasks, while the Business View streamlined the view to focus on day-to-day business tasks. Now they are practically identical, which helps users find commands and use the program more effectively. For the purposes of this course, we use the Accountant View unless specifically stated otherwise by the lesson. If desired, to switch between the two views in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, click the Switch from Accountant View to Business View or Switch from Business View to Accountant View toggle link in the lower right corner of the menu to switch to the opposite view of the current view. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.